Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Podcast's Dev Technosys. I'm your host Yash, and today we're diving into something that's made life easier for millions of people, ordering prescription medicine through mobile apps. Now, whether you're managing chronic medication or need something urgently during a sick day, mobile apps have transformed the way we get access to medicine without standing in long queues or calling multiple pharmacies. Joining me today is Raj, a senior tech strategist here at Dev Technosys, who's helped design pharmacy delivery apps across India, the UAE, the US, and more. He's going to take us step by step through the user experience and what goes on behind the scenes, too. Welcome, Raj.
Thanks, Yash. Glad to be here. This topic is really important because it's about convenience, safety, and accessibility, especially for elderly users or those with mobility issues. Mobile apps have made medicine ordering as easy as ordering a pizza.
Exactly. So let's jump in. Suppose I'm a first-time user and I want to order my prescribed meds through an app. What's the very first step?
The first step is to download a reliable pharmacy app. It could be something like NetMeds, 1mg, CVS Pharmacy, Walgreens, or even a hospital-branded app. Once you download and install the app, you'll need to sign up, usually with your mobile number, email, or via Google Login. After verification, you'll land on the main dashboard.
All right. Simple so far. Now comes the part where I need to upload my prescription, right?
Exactly. Most prescription apps offer two ways to search for medicines. Direct search. You type the medicine name in the search bar. Upload prescription. You can take a photo or upload a PDF of your doctor's prescription. This second method is useful if your medicine name is complex or your dosage instructions are specific. Once uploaded, a certified pharmacist reviews it, confirms the order, and sends you updates.
So the prescription isn't just blindly accepted.
Nope. In countries like India, the US, and the UK, there's legal compliance involved. Pharmacists check the validity of the prescription, whether the medicine requires cold chain delivery, the availability of generic alternatives. Some apps even provide chat support so you can talk to a pharmacist before confirming.
Now let's say I upload the prescription and it's approved. What happens next?
After approval, the app shows a medicine cart. You'll see medicine name, dosage, quantity, price, including any discounts, estimated delivery time. At this point, you can also add non-prescription items like supplements, masks, sanitizers, or first aid products.
So the app works kind of like a full medical store.
Exactly. It's your digital pharmacy. Once the cart looks good, the next step is selecting your delivery address. You can either use your GPS or manually type in your address. Then, you proceed to choose a delivery slot. Some apps offer same-day delivery. Others may take 24 to 48 hours depending on your location and medicine availability.
Nice. And payment? Can it be done via UPI, cards, or cash on delivery?
Yes, absolutely. Payment options generally include credit-debit cards, UPI, net banking, mobile wallets like Paytm or Google Pay, cash on delivery. Some apps also allow insurance claims or prescription coverage, especially in the US. Once you make the payment, you'll get an order confirmation message, invoice, and tracking ID.
Let's talk about tracking. How do I know when my medicines will arrive?
Most apps have real-time tracking similar to Swiggy or Zomato. You'll see updates like order accepted packed by pharmacist out for delivery delivered, plus you'll get SMS and push notifications. Some apps even let you call the delivery executive if needed.
And what about cold chain medicine, like insulin or certain antibiotics?
That's where specialized logistics come in. If a medicine needs to be stored at 28 degrees C, the app's delivery system ensures it's packed in ice boxes or cold packs. There's a separate workflow built in the back end for that. At Dev Technosys, we build smart delivery modules that flag temperature-sensitive products and assign them to vehicles with cold storage capability.
That's impressive. Are there any security checks or verification when receiving the medicines?
Yes. Upon delivery, the agent may ask for your signature, a one-time password, OTP, sent to your phone. In some cases, photo ID verification if it's a controlled substance. These steps make sure the medicine reaches the right person and no misuse happens.
We've talked a lot about the user journey. Let's switch gears. How does an app developer or a pharmacy business get started with building this kind of app?
Great question. Building a prescription-based app requires user panel for login, uploading prescriptions, browsing, ordering, and payment. Pharmacist dashboard for verifying prescriptions, managing inventory, updating medicine info, and admin panel. For tracking orders, managing users, handling support delivery partner app. for route tracking, OTP verification, and real-time delivery updates. On the back end, it needs secure databases, HIPAA or GDPR compliant, AI for reading handwritten prescriptions, inventory sync role-based access control. Dev Technosys specializes in building custom pharmacy and e-health apps. We focus on creating smooth, secure, and scalable solutions for both startups and established pharmacy chains.
Fantastic. Raj, any advice for people still hesitant to order medicines online?
Definitely, I'd say choose verified apps with licensed pharmacies. Always double-check expiry dates when you receive medicines. Keep your prescriptions updated, and if in doubt, use the in-app pharmacist chat before confirming your order. Ordering online is convenient, but being informed is equally important.
Well said. And for those building such an app, remember it's not just about tech, it's about health and trust. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today's episode on how to order prescription medicine through a mobile app. If you're a healthcare business, startup, or entrepreneur looking to build your own app, head over to devtechnosis.com. We've built smart, HIPAA-compliant pharmacy apps for global clients. Thanks for tuning in. And thank you, Raj, for walking us through such a detailed and helpful guide.
My pleasure, Yash. Always happy to be part of Tech Podcasts. Dev Technosys. See you all next time.